Hi guys, Lee Cole here. Before you do anything, give me a like on this video because it's really cool, and also subscribe to my channel. I got a ton of great content coming out weekly, all about all kinds of internet marketing. I have been doing internet marketing full-time and very successfully since 2010, and yeah, it is currently 2023. Now, what I want to tell you today is super cool. It's called DomainGPT. Has to do with domains. GPT has to do with AI, right? So put those two together and you get a very powerful piece of software that can find domains that you can buy for cheap and sell for a lot of money without you having to do any of the work yourself. Leverage the power of AI to uncover expensive domains for 5 cents a pop. Just so you know that I know actually what I'm talking about, I have been doing domaining. It's not my full-time source of income, but it gives me a little extra income every year, a few $1,000 and I've been doing this very successfully since 2011. So yeah, I know a little bit about domaining. First AI app to build you a profitable domain business from scratch, letting you register unlimited ultra cheap domains and sell for hundreds, and you can make several $100s a day. When you land on the sales letter, which is what I'm looking at here, take a look at this video. This is actually the creator of this, Mosh Barry. I've known Mosh for quite some time. He's a really good guy, stands behind his products. Now, I'm not going to read you this whole sales letter. You can look at this whole thing yourself. This is all possible by breaking into the world's biggest monopoly. What is the world's biggest monopoly? The very few companies that control domain registering, like Namecheap, like GoDaddy. So what do you get with this? DomainGPT, world's first app that leverages AI to find rare domains that sell for thousands of dollars. As the sales letter says, DomainGPT is a complete solution, comes equipped with everything you need. Let's take a look at everything that you get with this. DomainGPT app takes all the work off your shoulders, create an entire domain business for you from scratch. DomainGPT AI uses the power of AI to uncover domains that are worth thousands of dollars. DomainGPT clients on demand, never have to worry about traffic or clients. They don't spend a penny on getting on ads or anything like that. They use DomainGPT to uncover thousands of clients. So the DomainGPT finds the domains, it finds the clients. DomainGPT Profiter, this one feature only is enough to make DomainGPT worth tons of money. It allows us to profit hundreds of dollars each time a client lands on our website, and we will see the dashboard of the website in just a second. DomainGPT Mobile Edition allows you to operate DomainGPT from your phone. Training videos, world-class support, that's everything you get when you get this. This is basically cloud-based software, and you get this, and it does, it uses the power of AI to do all of the work for you. It's going to be easier for you to understand how the software works if you see inside of it. Now, Mosh already did a great walkthrough video of the software, so what I'm going to tell you next is we're going to just watch that video of his. Before we actually go and see that video though, just want to tell you a little bit about the funnel. There are a couple of upsells. You have a pro version which adds a ton of stuff to this, and then you also have a DFY version, and I'm not going to steal Mosh's thunder on that. That is a great addition to this product, and it's going to, basically they're going to do virtually all the work for you. Even though the software does virtually all the work for you, the work that's left for you to do, they will do it for you. So when you hit that second upsell, take a look at that. Now, let's go take a look at Mosh actually showing us how the software works.
Hey, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to introduce you with our brand new app Extreme Domain, which allows you to sell domains just like GoDaddy, Namecheap and so many other platforms without ever owning these domains. Now, the cool thing about Extreme Domain is that upon your registration, you are going to get your very own fully fledged cloud app. Ending on which domain name you have picked, you should get something like this: yourdomain.extremedomain.site, all with SSL and everything ready to go This is how the page should look like. Now look over the main page before we dive into your admin area. From here, your customer can find their business name using AI. Then they can generate the domain for their business name. Also, they can search the domain from here. Then they can see who is information of any domain. They can use reverse IP lookup. Then they can see the domain location. Also, they can use the DNS lookup feature. Let me show you how. If someone wants to find a business name for their online business, they just need to put here the keyword and click on get names. The system will generate name for their business. They just need to pick one of the names from here. Now they can generate domain for their business. Just go to the domain generator. Enter the business name here and click on generate. And these are the domains available for this business name. They can buy any of them from here. Now let's go to the whois information section. They can see the information from here. They just need to put here the domain name. And click on get whois. And this is how they can see the whois information. Also, they can use the reverse IP lookup. They just need to enter the IP address here and click on lookup. Then go to the domain location. They can see the domain location from here. Just need to put here the domain name. Click on get location. And they will see the domain location from here. Also, they can see the DNS lookup. Just need to put here the domain name. And click on query DNS. They will see the domain DNS information. Now let's dive into the admin area. This is the login page of the admin area. You need to log in with your email ID and password. Then just click on login now. So from the admin area, you can modify your Extreme Domain site and make it more profitable. You will have full control over your site and you can customize everything from the admin area. Like you can set up the general settings from here. You can change the logo, you can change the favicon, you can change your website title, footer. Then you can add custom HTML. And from the SEO settings, you can configure the SEO settings for your website. Then from the tools section, you can enable the different tools on your website or you can disable them. Then from the ad spots, you can configure the ads for the predefined ad spots on your website. From the additional asset, you can add additional CSS or JavaScript in your website. From the contact settings, you can modify the contact page settings of your website. Like here is the contact us page. You can modify it from the contact settings section. And from the API settings, you can edit the API keys for Google reCAPTCHA and exchange rate API. Then from the currency settings, you can active or deactive currency selection from here. You can enable or disable currency from here. Also, you can make default currency for your website. And from the features and FAQ, you can add or remove features and FAQ from your website. Like here the FAQs, here are the features of your website. Then from the header and footer links section, you can add or remove links from the header and footer of your website. You can customize your header and footer links from the admin area. Then from the TLD settings, you can configure how TLDs behave on your website. Like you can show recent searches page on header and footer. You can select it from here. You can enable or disable the appearance of price on domain search. And the most important part is that you need to modify the affiliate link for all TLDs add-ons. And you need to put here your name silo affiliate link So whenever someone purchases a domain, you will get the commission. And then from the manage TLDs section, you can see the list of all TLDs on your website. You can enable the domain extensions from here. You can disable them. Also, you can edit them or delete them. Then from the active TLDs order, you can see here the list of the active TLDs on your website. You can make any of the extensions as the main extension of your website from here. Then from the domain generator section, you can add, remove or update the TLDs for the domain generator. And from the Whois suggestions section, you can add, remove or update the suggestions for the Whois information tool. Then from the pages section, you can add pages to your website. Like this one, this is the home page, and if you want to add more pages, then just need to click on add page, and you need to put here the page details, then just click on submit, and your page will be added to your website. And to destroy the cache, you just need to click on destroy cache. It will destroy the cache from your Extreme Domain site. This is how you can use Extreme Domain site and make it more profitable from the admin area. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.